What's up guys, welcome to your 5th tutorial in CSS. Last time we went over some special types of selectors, and this time I just want to tell you a little bit on how descendant selectors actually work. So what this means right here is that it's going to apply the color red to any H3 element, which is a third heading, that is inside a div tag. And this applies it no matter how it's related to the div tag. For example, it can be the child or the great-grandchild or the great-great-grandchild, as long as it appears somewhere in the div tag. For example, you saw that once it was applied directly in the div tag it worked, but what if it was applied a few layers down? So let's say we have our div tag, opening div tag right here, and our closing one right here. Now, as you already know, if you put the heading 3 right here, then it'll appear red. But what if we had a paragraph and a closing paragraph right here, and we had the heading 3 right here? This is text. And we close it off. Now, what we have is called an ancestral relationship. So let's just see if this works right now. Go ahead and save your document and pop up a web browser, and as you can see, it still appeared red. This is because as long as it appears somewhere in the div tag, then it'll appear that color. Now let me talk to you guys a little bit about ancestors and what I'm actually talking about. As you see, you have a div tag, a paragraph tag, and a heading 3 tag. The div tag in this case is the parent of the paragraph tags and is the grandparent of the heading 3 tags. And the heading 3 tags is the child of the paragraph tags, and the paragraph tags is the child of the div tags. This is when webmasters talk about their relationship to their tags, and this is what they're talking about. Any tag that appears directly inside another is called the child, and any tag that appears 2 layers down from another is called the grandchild. And when you're working with descendant selectors, it doesn't matter how many let's see, ages down I guess it is, as long as it appears somewhere inside the main parent tag, then you'll have a working descendant selector. So next time we're going to go over some more specific selectors, and if you missed anything I went over today or want more clarification on how ancestors are related according to tags, you can go to my website thenewboston.com, and I'll have a better description of everything we went over today. Thank you.